Hi there, I'm Jackie and I'm back to show you how to create a tag in Systeme. I'm going to just give you a rough overview of what a tag is, and then we'll jump straight in and share my screen and show you how to do this. So a tag is a form of classification. In this case, we've got a Pilates course that we've created, and when we go to sell it, we want to be able to tag that the user has bought that particular Pilates course. For example, if you were selling a Pilates course, say a strength conditioning course, something else, you could then classify exactly what they bought, and that will really help with your future email campaigns, because you can then specify and segment the email campaign to ensure that you're only targeting the correct segmentation of customers. I hope that makes sense. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to share my screen. And then we're going to go straight into the Systeme dashboard, just checking that you can see everything. I'm going to move myself down so I can see everything. So we're back in the dashboard of the course, or the course that you're creating. We're just going to come across here to contacts, and then we're going to go into tags. We're going to create a tag. So the course that we're actually selling in this particular case is Gentle Pilates for Beginners. So you could put bought, let's click on it, bought Gentle Pilates, or anything you want to do. I mean, it could be a code, it could be anything, but whatever you feel that will help distinguish. And that's too long. So let's take that out. Let's see if that works. Brilliant. And that's your one tag that you can use on the freemium account. If you were to move up to the startup account, then you'll get 10 tags, which is really helpful. But yeah, so now that's your tag. And in our next session, we're going to look at how to create the sales order form.